Hi lovely, you are there and you don't know how to match your outfit. Worry no more. My good name is Adasa Hamina and welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Pinterest. If you don't have Pinterest in your phone, you better download it. You better install it, guys. So how to use Pinterest to get or to achieve Pinterest Inspo ideas. Okay, so first thing first is just have a Pinterest app. And before we continue, when it comes to Pinterest app, make sure that you are specific with searches. Like for me over here, we use what you have in your closet. What do you have in your closet? And you know that you can go with it outside there, something good. So for me, I had this denim skirt. I just want to show you how I did this. I had this denim skirt and I wanted an idea of how I can pair it with knee-length boots, and that's why when I tell you need to be specific, I just had to be specific with my search. So I just went to my Pinterest search tab and I searched for the mid-front slit denim skirt and knee-length boots. So I have two denim skirts. I have one that does not have slit and the other one which has a slit. So this was my idea from the beginning. Yeah, so and I saw this first. I saw this lady and she looks amazing. I loved that idea and I downloaded the image. So for me, I prefer, instead you can create your Pinterest board, but for me I decided to download the image, so when I'm offline I can just come and refer to it. And then I was like, no, let me just scroll down, I might find something more interesting. And then voila, I came across this wonderful lady. So when it comes to Pinterest, don't overlook hair and makeup, and most of the time use the more ideas tab. You will find more ideas. So I saw this beautiful lady and I loved that outfit. Why did I love that outfit? Because I can achieve it. I have almost everything, even though I can even create it in a different colors. Okay, so for me I decided to go a different color but the same idea. So this is where I get ideas even to dress my son, even to dress my girl. So this is an outfit that I'm working on, yes, for my daughter. And yes, let me show you several outfit ideas that I've got from Pinterest. This one also. So what I normally do is save them, and when they come to my my photos, they save themselves as pins. So I just go there. If I want to do this outfit, I try my level best that the outfit that I want to go for, I have literally everything. I can achieve it. I have it in my wardrobe. So maybe I'll just add a handbag or maybe a shoe, but 90% of it I have. So for this look, let's see what she's wearing. She has a white shirt, denim skirt, mini handbag. She has a knee high boots, and for the accessories, she's doing these shades of glasses. Okay, yeah, and a belt. So that is something I think that I have in my wardrobe. That is why I'm telling you, go for outfits that you can afford and a watch. Yes, so for me, I decided I'm gonna go for this look, right? Yeah, so you don't have to make it exactly like that. And this is how I created mine. I have knee-high black boots. I have a denim skirt, although it does not have a slit. I decided to choose this one. I have a mini black handbag. I have a black shirt, a black watch, and a belt. And for the accessories, I did glasses, and I added for the jewelries, I added gold earrings and gold necklace, right? So that's how my outfit came out. So let me show you. So this was the inspo, and this is what I achieved, and guys, I liked it, and this is what I've been doing, and so far so good, guys. So try it and you will 100% love it. Yes guys, so don't forget to try it and don't forget to subscribe.